What's up guys, this is Massey and welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to find out derivative of x times tan of 2 root x plus 7. So we have dy over dx. We need to use the product rule. Derivative of x times tan 2 root x plus x times derivative of tan 2 root x plus derivative of 7 is 0. So derivative of x is 1. So 1 times tan 2 root x plus x times derivative of tan 2 root x. So derivative of tan 2 root x is going to be derivative of 2 root x times secant squared of 2 root x. So it's going to be tan 2 root x plus x times derivative of 2 root x is going to be 2 times 1 over 2 times x to the power of negative 1 over 2 times secant squared 2 root x. 2 and a half cancels out. We have tan 2 root x plus x over root x times secant squared of 2 root x. So when you simplify it, it's going to be tan 2 root x plus x divided by root x is going to be root x times secant squared of 2 root x. So that's going to be the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and have a great day.